Hi, my name is Byung Kim. This is a class E63 Big Data Analytics 2015 at Harvard Extension School. My final project topic is ClouderaManager. Big data presents a tremendous opportunity for enterprises across industries. By tapping into new volumes and varieties of data, organizations can ask questions about their customers and their businesses like never before. Hadoop is a powerful technology platform for big data, and Cloudera is one of the companies that stand out in this field. Cloudera is revolutionizing enterprise data management by offering the first unified platform for big data. As far as the Hadoop distribution is concerned, there are three companies that really stand out in the completion: Cloudera, Portworx, MapR. Cloudera was founded by big data geniuses from Facebook, Google, Oracle, and Yahoo in 2008. It was the first company to develop and distribute Apache Hadoop-based software. Still has the largest user base with the most number of clients. Portworx, founded in 2011, has quickly emerged as one of the leading vendors of Hadoop. The distribution provides open source platform based on Apache Hadoop for analyzing, storing, and managing big data. Here are some differences between Portworx, Cloudera, MapR. Performance and scalability, dependability, manageability, data access. Management tools for Portworx and Barry, and Cloudera uses ClouderaManager, and MapR uses MapR Control System. ClouderaManager is the industry's first and most sophisticated management application for Apache Hadoop and the Enterprise Data Hub. ClouderaManager is designed to make administration of your Enterprise Data Hub simple and straightforward, at any scale. With the ClouderaManager, you can easily deploy and centrally operate the complete big data stack. Key capabilities of ClouderaManager. The first, manage. Easily deploy, configure, and operate a data hub with a centralized, intuitive administration for all services, hosts, and workflows. Monitor. Maintain a central view of all activity in the cluster through heat maps, proactive health checks, and alerts. Diagnose. Easily diagnose and resolve issues with operation reports and dashboards, events, intuitive log viewing, and search, audit trails, and integration with the Cloudera support. Let's integrate. Integrate ClouderaManager with the existing enterprise monitoring tools through SMMP, SMTP, and a comprehensive API. And here's how to get access ClouderaManager admin console. I was using Cloudera Quickstart, which is run on CentOS 6.4. And first, I need to get IP address, internet address, and to get the address, if config, and you can see 192.168.84.139. And open the browser. I use the Google Chrome, and then either copy and paste, or type in the IP address, and then CMF login, and username Cloudera and password, and And here's a ClouderaManager admin console. And also, of course, you can directly get access ClouderaManager admin console via inside the VMware. But I like this way a little better just because it's a little faster than inside VMware due to my computer capacity. And also this shows that how to get access via another browser such as Google Chrome. ClouderaManager API. The ClouderaManager API provides configuration and service lifecycle management, service health information and metrics, and allows you to configure ClouderaManager itself. The API is served on the same host and port as the ClouderaManager admin console and does not require an extra process or extra configuration. The API supports HTTP-based authentication accepting the same users and credentials as the ClouderaManager admin console. And here's the API usage example, such as what clusters do we have? And there's one cluster and the second cluster, CDH4, CDH3. And here's a Python API, which I'll be mainly demonstrating, the Python API. And first example, how to install the Python API client. And simply from root yum install cm-api, and then after that, and I change back to Cloudera and type in Python, and that's the Python environment. And this is simply just type in Python. And here's another example how to get a handle to the API client and get a list of all clusters. And the first is cm_host 192.168. That is the IP address before we demonstrate it, and how to get the if config and get the IP address. And also below that, in the change the if c.version to cdh5, and just I believe just because we are using the quick start, and that's why the quick start is the cdh5, that we have to change the cdh5. And lastly, I'm not sure why, but I have to look it up, but still couldn't figure out why. And you have to put next to cm_host a version equal 1 in order to get the list of all clusters. And then after that, and then you go in the bottom, that's we have a cluster called Cloudera Quick Start. And here's an example how to create a cluster. I just named it just cluster bk, and the cluster equal API dot cluster create underscore cluster and the cluster bk, and after that, and then show me what cluster, the list of the clusters. And on top of the Cloudera Quick Start, we have another cluster bk. And when you go to the admin console, and you can see that the first cluster and Cloudera Quick Start, and then below that, there's the cluster we just created, the cluster bk. And also, this is how to find the HDFS service. And this is the 4S and CDH4 get all services pre-NAS and HDFS, and you can see Uzi, and case Indexer, Scoop, Zookeeper, Hue, Bloom, and Pala. This is all services in Cloudera Quick Start. And also this is how to inspect the HDFS service health and status, and print HDFS name and health summary, and it shows HDFS started concerning, and also the health checks and browse calorie data, free, hard, missing, under, and some of them good and some of them concerning. And this is how to restart HDFS and stop. And how to restart, simply cmd equal HDFS dot restart, and that's going to restart the HDFS. And how to stop, and cmd equal HDFS and stop, and print cmd true. And after that, print HDFS name, HDFS service state, and it shows that HDFS stopped, not available. Therefore, all HDFS has stopped. And the references, and thank you for listening. Thank you.